Hello viewers, this is Nalini Raja from Denver, Colorado. We are at our makeshift TV Asia studios and privileged to have with us the former U.S. Attorney General, Mr. John Ashcroft. Sir, thank you for joining us.
Delighted to be here. Thank you for coming.
Now, you were a key supporter of the Patriot Act. Do you believe that has achieved the safety from crime against terror?
Well, I believe that it was key to our successful defaulting or otherwise preventing terrorist acts against the United States. And we know that the Patriot Act, which in one respect allowed a new kind of cooperation between intelligence officials and law enforcement officials, was very important in bringing to justice individuals who had serious plans to disrupt the safety and security, liberty and freedom of citizens of the United States. I know of specific cases and specific circumstances where that enablement, which came from the Patriot Act, was fundamental to the success of the disruption of proposed acts of terror.
And after 9/11, I believe that was much needed. Also, next question, how is Guantanamo Bay? It should be soon closing. And I believe you had sent some people, Musavi, and after the attacks to Guantanamo Bay. What are your thoughts of its closing?
Well, the key is that there are people that you apprehend in a war, particularly a war of terror, that need to be detained. And I believe they should be detained, and detained in a way that does not threaten the liberty, safety, and security of the people of the United States. And when this administration announced that it would close Guantanamo Bay, it indicated that it would try to close Guantanamo Bay, but it recognized the need to detain certain individuals, and the Congress of the United States has recognized that need. The debate over funding for Guantanamo and the debate over funding for changing the location of those detainees from Guantanamo to other settings indicates a kind of wisdom. And the profound principle is this, that when people have been involved in terrorist acts against your government, you need to detain them. You have to detain them. The entire world is safer if individuals who have those predispositions and have demonstrated those dispositions by being involved in acts of terrorism, if they are detained. So whether individuals are detained specifically at Guantanamo Bay or at some other place outside the United States, I don't think is a matter of great import. The important thing is that when there have been acts of terrorism and the liberty, security, and freedom of the American people has been disrupted and threatened, there are certain people who need to be detained. And the security of freedom and opportunity and what it means for us to have a society and culture that is open and has opportunity and entrepreneurial chances for people in it, we have to detain people who are trying to destroy it.